When she came to see me, what we knew was that the tumor, it measured over 2 centimeters. I knew that she was a candidate to receive chemotherapy first, so prior to surgery. We spoke about surgical options at that time.
I knew this is where I wanted to be. I knew this is where I wanted to get my treatment. So I wasn't scared that way. The biggest fear I had was telling my children. It was really, really tough to have to tell them that I have breast cancer and that I was gonna need chemo. My husband and I both assured them that I was gonna get the best care possible. And I assured them that I was gonna be fine, that I got this, and I was gonna kick its butt.
She was learning all of the facts about her cancer so that she could decide how she wanted to proceed.
We decided that the best approach for her aggressive form of breast cancer was to treat her with a combination of drugs before the surgery.
I knew I was gonna lose my hair because they say, this chemo's strong, you're gonna lose your hair. So I asked Dr. Velez, when am I gonna lose it? He goes, maybe after the second treatment. So I had really long hair. So what I did was I went to my hairdresser, I cut it up to my shoulder, and then a week later, I cut it like in a pixie cut. And then I'm like, okay, it's starting to shed a little bit. I called my hairdresser, I said, shave it. And she goes, are you sure you wanna do that? Isn't it gonna be traumatic? I'm like, no, I'm taking control of this. I didn't mind being bald. I didn't mind it because I wasn't gonna hide what I was going through.
I expected that she would respond well to the treatment, and thankfully we started to see results very quickly.
I could no longer feel the tumor because the chemotherapy had essentially melted the tumor away.
And she fell into the group of patients that go to surgery, and thankfully we find no tumor at the time of the surgery.
I conquered it, I beat it, and thanks to the breast cancer center, I'm alive.
Fortunate is not the word. Fortunate is too subtle a word to describe how grateful we are. Realizing how much they cared and realizing how much they worked together so that the patient would have as easy as time as possible dealing with this horrendous situation.
At Memorial Hospital, you get the best care. You encounter true angels.